Hello everybody, let's talk about how to appear for an interview. Number one thing, first of all, keep the thought out of your mind that if you are not selected in this company, you are gone, nothing can happen, nothing positive can happen in your life in future. Please don't think like that. If you do not crack this interview, you are gone, you will not get a good placement in a good company. Please keep this thought out of your mind, because every company has limited number of vacancies and there are so many people in competition. So always wait for company number 2 and company number 3. There are always some other options, so wait for that. So don't think that this interview is my life, and apart from that, if I fail to do so, I will be gone. Don't think that way. Second thing, have some confidence when you are appearing in front of the interviewer or on a Zoom call, Zoom interview. Most important thing, look good, groom yourself, even if you are a boy or a girl. If you look good, try to look even better, and if you look average, at least everybody looks presentable, so that's very nice. And then try to look the way better than the way you look without any kind of grooming. So groom yourself. Remember one thing, when the recruiter has your CV with himself or herself, the only thing is known to that person is your academics, how you behave, how you look. He or she will get to know when you actually appear on your Zoom screen or face-to-face interview. So looks are very important. That will create an impression, yes, that person is at least presentable. And if you look good, if you are able to improve your looks, you will definitely get some extra points, because looks are part of your personality. Your external personality, appearance is very important. So if you are a boy, be clean shaven, and if you are a girl, definitely groom your hair. So looks are very important. Third, whichever company you are appearing for an interview of, always search the website of that particular company. What products and services this company deals with. Definitely they would want you to promote their product and service only. Suppose if a company from real estate comes to you, they will not ask about FMC, they will ask about real estate, because they will ask you to work about real estate only. Alright, so always search the products and services of the company, how long this company has been into the business, how old the company is, and what kind of product and services it is offering. So when you tell the person, yes, I am aware about these kind of product and services of a company, of your company, that person will get to know, yes, this man is prepared, he is a learned person, he knows, he or she knows how to appear for an interview. Alright, subject knowledge is very important, you should be knowing that. Confidence, very important. The most important thing that I always ask my students, कॉमन सेंस एंड जनरल इंटेलिजेंस, एंड वो किसी डिग्री का मोहताज नहीं होता है, ठीक है. यूज योर ब्रेन, यूज योर कॉमन सेंस, जनरल इंटेलिजेंस शुड बी very important, is very important. Another thing, be energetic, be motivated, be enthusiastic. The person should look, this person is not dull, he or she has a lot of energy. So when I welcome that person into an organization, that person will be motivated to do whatever I ask. So that person is a positive person, upbeat, energetic, enthusiastic, and highly motivated to perform the task I am going to allot to that person. The person, if you get selected. All right. So looks, subject knowledge about the company, common sense, general intelligence, and the very first point, if I don't get selected, my life is rubbish. Don't think that way. You will definitely get some other options. Alright, so study, confidence, looks, general intelligence, common sense, and no negative mentality. This is the mantra for your interview. Okay, what to tell you about tell me something about yourself, about your family. Very briefly, tell that person about what you have done in the past, in your PG program, what you have been doing, how the journey has been last 1 or 2 years, what you have achieved in your summer internship, or maybe winter internship, or live project, whatever internships or projects, whatever you have done. Tell about that particular thing. Which company you have been associated, please tell them. And most important thing, what did you learn out of those projects and internships? What has been your contribution to the company you have worked for? Because that is the most important thing. That's why they hired you as intern. That they will train you, but in return you will get that thing done for them. I mean, whatever they allotted to you, and you did that. Something like you contacted 1,000 people and you actually converted 25 people as customers. So your what your conversion rate has been, give some numbers. X people I contacted, Y were converted to were converted as the customers, and this has been my conversion rate. Whatever you have achieved, something apart from the academics at your school level or college level, do tell them. This will create an impact. Yes, this person is multi-talented, not only academician, not only a bookworm. Alright, so tell your journey till the age of 21 or 22, whatever you are. Alright, so create an overall impact. Remember one thing, people, those who get selected are the ones who are not only bookworms. I mean, only bookworms do not get selected for a good company at least, or a decent company at least. The person who is able to create an overall impact on the panel that has come to select you, only those people get selected. I am repeating one more time, the overall impact on the recruiters or the panel that has come to pick you, to select you, only those people get selected. So create an impact by your academics, what you have done in your internships, and what your journey of life has been, academics and something else as well. Alright, bye. Sorry, I forgot to tell you one thing, so I am adding it later on. I mean, after the original shoot that you have just seen. Be prepared with your current affairs, because HRs are asking that thing a lot nowadays. What is happening with China? What is Galwan Lake? What is Galwan Valley? What is Pangong Lake? What are finger 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? What is happening in the US elections? Who is the nearest competitor of Donald Trump? What is happening between Reliance, Future Group, and Amazon? What happened to Novak Djokovic? Why he was disqualified from US Open this year? Vodafone Idea converted into VI. So these kind of things you should be aware of. What is the TRP of a channel? What kind of channel war we are having I mean, among all the news channels. So be prepared with your current affairs. All right. Thank you. Now bye. Finally.